Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat AI on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have Snapchat downloaded on your device, then just go ahead and open up the application. Now, once the application is opened up, you can either log into your account or sign up and create a new one. Once you are signed up or logged into your account, just go ahead and tap on the chat button. Now, once you tap on it, you will be able to find My AI right at the top of your chats page. You can just go ahead and tap on it and then tap on OK. And now you can chat with My AI chatbot and ask it just about anything. In case you don't see My AI on your chats menu, then that means that your application is not updated to the latest version. So just go ahead and open up the Play Store and then search for Snapchat. If you don't have the latest update, then you will see an update button instead of open. Just go ahead and tap on it, and once you update the application, you will be able to find My AI at the top of your chat page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get My AI on Snapchat on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.